Aloha everyone! I'm going to show you the top 3 celebrity haircuts you can create with the CreaClip. First, the Kardashian's blunt cut. She has it pretty much shoulder length. So we're going to cut this about that length there. And to do this cut, you're just going to be gathering all the hair back. Make sure the chin is tucked. So tuck the chin like that. Gather all the hair like you're going to be putting it in a ponytail. Just gather it back like this, comb it straight back. Okay. And because this model's hair is quite thick, I'm going to use the curved CreaClip. Okay. If you have fine hair, then you can use the small blue CreaClip. So you're just going to shake the hair so it falls nice and even. So you can see there. On both sides. Let me just twist this model so you can see. Make sure the bubble goes in the middle. Okay, and then we're going to cut. And you can use a trimmer or scissors. If you use a trimmer, it's much faster. It's really blunt. Today I'm going to just use scissors so you can see how you can create this at home. And so we want it to be about shoulder length. So I usually pull it until it hits about this part of your neck here, about right there. Okay, and then I'm just going to make sure this model is straight. Okay, yeah, perfect. The level's in the middle, great. And I'm going to cut straight across because we wanted that blunt cut. Okay, so I'm going to cut, and can you turn it so you can see. I'm just going to cut straight across. Make sure you get all that. Okay, and that's going to create that blunt cut. And then the next step, what you're going to do is you're going to cut the sides so that the sides are not in an angle. Okay. So for the sides, you're going to comb this straight down. You see how it creates like a A-line? We're going to actually get rid of the A-line, and to do that is that now you're going to take the blue CreaClip, gather all this hair like this on the side, clip it in, and slide it down just to comb it out. You don't need that much hair because we're just going to cut that little tip off to make it straight. And make sure the model's straight. Straight, okay. Make sure the level goes into the middle. Okay, and then you're just going to slide it down, and we're just going to cut straight across to get rid of that angle cut. Okay. And then you can, once the bubble goes in the middle, you can actually hold it up, make it easier for you to cut. So you're just cutting along the guide like this. And if you have a trimmer, it's really, really easy with a trimmer. So just take your time and make sure you get all of that hair. Okay. See? It gets that blunt cut. Okay. We'll do that on the other side. On the other side, just comb the hair down. Gather all this hair here. Make sure she's straight. Comb it down. down to just get the hair so it distributes evenly. Just clip it onto the hair, make sure the bubble's in the middle, and you're going to slide down. And then we're just going to cut that little tip off. And making sure this is the same length. Yeah. If you want to hold it tightly like that and just bring it up, you can, yeah, do it that way, just so you can get in there and cut that straight across. There you go. Great. Also for fine hair, it makes the hair look a lot fuller. This model actually has a lot of hair. It's quite thick. However, you could still do this exact haircut. It looks beautiful. This is our top 3 celebrity haircuts for 2020.